Hey there guys, welcome. Okay, okay, start. Look at this cute little guy compared to the whoa. Look at the monster thing. In a while, today we are playing Muscle Legends. In Muscle Legends, you get a dumbbell like this, and you just gain strength. As you see, I have 3.1k. This guy's called kill me. Let me take him out. And you get stronger by doing some weights. I have 3000 strength and 64 speed. But this is not my regular size. Because look, you can see I have a beast. Because I exceed my friend. And you can do it if you're playing this game. This is free. See? You can control your body anytime you want. It's free. It's just free. That's what I'm saying. So why people consider their body is because they can attack puny people like me. But I'm diable, but I can die a lot. Like I can kill this guy. But see, he doesn't even know. One Punch Day. Let's take the One Punch Man from anime. Yeah, man. Hey, please give this video a like and thumbs up. It really supports the channel. But let's get back to the video. So, today we are gonna get our speed and strength all the way upward. First, I need to get my salary. This guy's Robles problem. So this, as you start, get these two, the punch and this, the boulder. You, I mean, this, the dumbbell weights. But you don't start up with this until or unless you get 2000, at least 2k strength. You can get this amount speed. You can get this, which gives you agility with speed. And I'm about to die. Or maybe not. And I'm not. Now I'm dead. Gosh dang it. Who is that guy? Gosh. Stop messing around. Okay, I need to go find State Farm. I need to go find State Farm. I'm tired of this stupid thing. See, that's why all you need is speed. So that you could run away and kill people. Like this. Come here. Go cow. He's dead. What cow? Okay, nope, I'm running out of it. No. That guy is stupid. Possibly. I'm going to join this bro. And I'm dead. Huge guy always comes. I'm going to at least deadlift. I'm at least going to deadlift to get my strength up. But actually have to join the brawl, so you get 2 times the strength. From the see the regular test. Okay, I don't know what like that, but I sounded like that. So in the regular deadlift, you actually can, you know, I'm dead. I need to run it. The regular dead, no. And I'm dead. I'm just dead. The regular deadlift over here. Oh my god, I keep missing that. The regular deadlift over here, you pretty much get low strength, I guess. Or equal strength, I don't know. Because one time when I did this, I got 2 times amount of strength. So when you get bigger and bigger, you can get do these cool moves. Like look at that guy. Look at that guy. Look at that guy. Look at the cute small thing. But she's the number one in the name. Okay, so that's why she is too fast. Because she has more ribbons than me. Oh no. Okay, I was wrong. I was wrong. So you get more strength in here instead of going to the front. I just stupid. I'm just gonna keep it. Well, yeah. Where did he come from? I was just fast. Then I'm gonna turn around. And what out? Wow. Oh gosh. It's like I keep forgetting that he's not a human, but he's still a human. Gosh. See? Now I have to take a wrap. What the? Hey man. Good. He's dead. So John Brown. Okay, I'm John Brown. So that's it. Come on. I hate that guy. Look at that. Look at that. I'm doing squats. That's it. Enough. This place, if I have people way more than me, I'm just gone. I'm just running out of it. Give me juicy. I want to fight. Yep. Hey. Oh, yeah. Oh, we are dead. Let's go. Oh, 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 he's dead. Okay, I'm running. Okay. And he ran. My body's like, I hate that guy. I want to be sick after this thing. I don't know. I even forgot that I am recording. I'm like so stupid. I'm the stupidest man in the whole world. Yeah. So that's why I'm so stupid I've been punching now. And I'm gonna punch you. Yeah, you stupid fella. You better die. I'm the bully. God, I don't know why. Oh, he doesn't care. Good. I think he doesn't care. Alright. I'm dead. I want to squat. Why? Bench press. At least let me press up. Like, watch. So Joe has been training and training, and he only got 3.3688, which is very bad for him, and he starts crying. Why am I so weak? I want to bash that big old muscle up. Why? Why this thing only happens to me? Why? 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 I just need to know why. Why in the frick? Hey, what happened? You got a kid. Gosh dang it. I glitched. Officially glitched. And I can't do anything. I'm stuck. I'm stuck. Yep. I can do probably nothing. Now can I do it? No, I still get a human in that. But nothing's gonna happen because I'm glitching. Why? This is happening only to me. Why am I not glitched? Why am I not moving? Gosh, dang it. And I'm dead. Yeah. Not freeze. Not freeze. I still can move. So yeah guys, I've been dying and dying and dying and I'm still dying. But I'll be back for another video.